So in the previous video, we talked about useReducers. In today's video, we will be looking at another example of useReducers hook. So inside my components folder, I'm going to create a new file. This will be named Todos.js. So today we are going to create a small to-do list using ReactJS. So again, RFCE code snippet, functional component, and I will also import the useReducer hook. And I will also import the React DOM. Okay, now I will create the initial to-dos. So const initial to-dos, and this is an array. So first is the ID, which is 1. Second is the title. The title is to do 1. Next is complete. So complete will tell that whether it is completed or not. So complete is set to false in the beginning. And we can add as many to-dos as we want. So let us create 4 of them, and we will change it to 2. So the ID and the title both will be changed. Next, we will just copy and paste that, and it will be 3. This will also be 3. Our last one, so this will be 4, and this is to number 4. So after creating this, we are going to create our reducer. So const reducer, this will take state and action as input, and inside that we will write all our cases. So switch taking action dot type as the argument. Now case 1 is complete. This is going to return state dot map. Inside map we will pass to do, this to do. Here it is going to check that if to do dot id is equal to action dot id, so then it is going to return the previous to do and complete, which is assigned to not the opposite of to do dot complete. So this will check that if the id and of if the IDs are matching, then it will return the opposite of complete. If it was complete, then it will return it is not completed, and if it was not completed, it will return the opposite of that. Now after if we will add an else, inside else it will just return to do. Lastly, adding the default case. The default case will return state. Now inside to do's we will use our hook. So const to do's and dispatch. This is assigned to useReducer. It takes reducer and initial to do's as input. So initial to-dos. Now we're going to create a const, that is a function, handle complete. Handle complete takes to do as an argument. It will dispatch the type complete. So the dispatch has the type complete and it will have the ID to do dot ID. Now we are going to add our, so instead of this we will add an h1. This h1 is going to say to do's. Now I will add to do's dot map inside another div, and inside map I will pass to do. So here we have a div. This has a key which is assigned to do.id. And now we will open label. After this label, we will have an input tag. This will have a type of checkbox, and when it is checked, which means the to do is complete. So to do dot complete. Lastly, we will have the on change. On change is assigned to handle complete. So on change is equal to handle complete. Handle complete will take the argument of to do. And we will also display the to do title along with our input. So to do title, and now we will close our label and we will also close our div. So that is all about our component. So now we will just hit on Control S and we will also render this component inside our app.js. This is the parent component. So my component is named to do's. We just remove the statement. Now let us see the output. Okay, so we have 4 to do's, and whenever I click on them, then I can just change it to complete or not complete. So this was an example of useReducer. So that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel. We bring to you videos on a daily basis. So I'll see you in the next video.